Hey, the prince! Wait. You've not forgotten this name after all these years?
You should have gotten used to that since our second days.
Wait, Amobi, are you calling me with a Ghana line?
Of course, I'm already in Ghana.
Wow! This early? Today must be a very good day.
Well, my brother, business calls get to be attended to faster than anything.
So where in Ghana are you?
Question is, where should I be in the next few hours? Bro, I am presently in Accra, and I need a list of the best hotels around here. Somewhere I could put up till I leave for Nigeria.
Wait, Amobi, don't tell me Kate's attitude is going to put a strain to our relationship.
Why would you say such a thing?
You know, it baffles me that after all these years you can still speak your dialect fluently.
Of course, bro. I respect the Igbo tradition more than anything else.
Anyway, what I'm saying is this: you can't have a house as big as this and then go stay in a hotel. It's not befitting of a man of your status, okay? You are a prince, you shouldn't be seen anywhere. And remember, you're into hotel business too. So, you tell me where you are and don't spend any money staying in any hotel. Bring your big head over to this house because we have a lot of catching up to do.
I'm coming right away.
I've told you to stop speaking that rubbish. I can't understand it.
Because I want you to learn it. Because what is your address?
50 Dome Street, Accra, Ghana.
Alright, I'm on it.
Alright, waiting for you. Hey, Amobi's coming.
Femi the striker.
Oh yeah, oh. Sorry.
Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, bro.
Look at you.
I'm trying my best. Good to see you, man.
I'm so happy to see you once again.
Happy to see you, bro. What's it been?
Like 7 years.
Wow. I need you okay.
Wait. I told you I don't understand what you're speaking. Wait. Does it mean all these years abroad you can't speak English like a white man?
Of course I speak it, mate. I speak British, you know. But sorry, I don't want for you.
I'm so happy to see you.
Oh, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Tell me. What happened between? So, how did it go?
You mean my longest nightmare I took to be a wife?
I hate to say this, bro, but I warned you.
Yeah, you did. You know, you were right. You know, I used to think African girls were the worst. But Kate Bass taught me that I was sleeping on a bicycle thinking like that.
Wow.
2 years with that woman was like 2 years God used to punish me for all my sins.
Whoa, that's really serious, I guess.
It was more than serious. It was drastic. I thought she was the best thing that could happen to me.
Okay.
You know, she was beautiful. Beauty, I gave it to her.
Come on. You calling Kate beautiful, huh? Because she's fair. She's just there.
But immediately we got married, everything changed.
Wow. You know, I still remember that smile on your face on your wedding day. You know, you were like, it's all gone now.
You know, I regret marrying her. Immediately we got married, she became something else. She started nagging, keeping late nights with friends and saying it was nothing. She became frustrating. And the height of it was the day she slapped me.
She slapped you?
She slapped me.
And what happened after that?
I couldn't bear it. I filed for divorce. That was when I understood that I ceased to own all my properties the very day I slipped a ring into her finger. I lost everything to her. I became dead. I had to start afresh.
Oh, Femi. I hate to say this, bro, but I warned you.
Yeah, you did. You warned me. I
warned you. Remember?
You did. I was a fool. You did. What is it?
So this is a dream.
A dream? What kind of a dream would make you jerk and scream and struggle like this?
Oh, Jesus. A terrible nightmare.
Gotcha. Animals of a Guachi forest. We now have a new king in the body of a maiden.
No man can fight the force of nature. No man can, and no man can. The hands of the clock is just right inside. So better beware. The joy of immortality.
I must say, this is one of the biggest decorating contract my company has got. It involves a lot. And I promise you, Mr. Amobi, I'm going to see to an appropriate service needed for this job.
Like I said, she is the best we have around here. In Ghana, when you talk about furnishing and interior decoration, you talk about Mosino Enterprises. If you are into this business, when you talk about the company, Abner's Mensah's name comes to mind.
Wow, I'm flattered. I'm flattered.
Amobi, you're not the first I'm bringing here. And I assure you, you won't regret paying for their services. You see, before you know it, your job will be done. We know Sinclair Hotel is one of your greatest assets all over the world. And as a best friend, I owe it to you to represent it well. Because it has a standard to maintain.
So, rest assured that this thing, led by Amerigo Abina Mensah, will never ever fail.
Well, Prince Amobi, I can assure you that you've come to the right place.
Okay.
So, Mr. Amobi, do we have a deal?
Yeah, it's in posterity. Whatever you do today, I counts up tomorrow.
Yes, we have it.
That's great.
Wow.
That's great.
Okay, thank you all for participation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Shooting down animals and shoot down a husband.
But Papa, what is it now? Why are you sounding like this? Why are you not the one who taught me the act of hunting? Why are you not sounding like it's a bad thing?
Is this what you want to do for the rest of your life?
Is this not what you've been doing for the rest of your life?
Urima, why is it so difficult for you to understand that you are a girl? And time is not on your side. I only taught you the art of hunting so that we can feed from this when my strength begins to fail me. Go for a husband. Stop shooting. Stop shooting animals.
Papa, all this one you're saying is not my problem. Besides, who among these men in the village is worthy to be my husband?
Ochakwa?
Name them. Who amongst them? All these men in this village, who amongst them is worthy to be my husband? Papa, please, let me...
Will you come back here? I said, will you come back here? Bring back that gun. Bring back, come here. Bring back that gun. Bring back that gun.
Wow. Wonder. What's up? You came in quite late.
Yeah, guess where I'm coming from?
Where, your office?
No, when I was done with work, I decided to branch somewhere else.
Okay, where?
I decided to check out the new West branch of Sinclair Hotel. First, you need to see what that lady Abina Mensah did there.
Really?
You need to see the decoration, the paintings, everything, you know. When she's done with your hotel, every other hotel around either have to shut down or upgrade and renovate to meet up with you.
I choose shut down. I'm telling you, they should shut them down. Whoa, I like that. It just shows that Mosuno Enterprises wasn't a bad choice after all.
It's not about Mosuno Enterprises. It's about this lady in question, Abina. She's something else.
Okay.
I mean, her attention to details, the way she goes about her job. Goodness me, you need to see this painting. Where on earth did she get it?
I guess she did her research well. Then again, don't forget, I paid her good money.
Yeah, I admit you paid her good money, but then we must give it to her. She does a good job. She handled it like it's hers. Such enthusiasm. Sometimes I begin to... Isn't that the kind of lady you always talk about?
Femi, get straight to the point.
What?
Femi Olamide.
Yes, bro.
Since you introduced me to Abina Mensah, you've been talking about her like every day. So, one question. Are you starting to like her? Or are you starting to like her for me?
Well. Does it have to take you this long to admit it? To see the picture?
What picture?
That this lady loves you. In fact, she wants to have a date with you.
I thought as much.
Come on, Femi won't deceive you. This lady is hardworking, enterprising, diligent. Above all, she's beautiful.
Yes, I know she's got all that, but she's too... What's the word now? She's too loud. You know, the makeup, the painting, she just looks like some scarecrow. It's...
Come on, Vit and Moby. What are you talking about? I mean, which lady doesn't make up today?
Who's there?
That should be Abina. She said she would come at the close of work.
Are you bloody kidding me? You didn't tell me.
What difference does it make?
Not like it matters, but come on, you should have told me. Like, you know, at least let me know she was coming. You didn't.
Yeah, coming.
Oh, good evening.
Hey, Abina! How are you doing?
Very stressed out for today. How are you doing?
Good. I'm doing good. Am I allowed to play blame myself for that.
Oh, not at all. You pay for the stress.
Both of you have to excuse me. I have an important call to make inside.
I bet you do.
Alright, see you guys later.
I have been wanting to ask. You stay here?
No, I stay in London actually. I just came here to establish my hotel, and once you're done with the decoration, I'm off to my motherland, establish another one. That's it.
Wow. Sinclair Hotel, it's quite a popular one. I've been looking for an opportunity to work with them, but it never came my way. I never assumed in my whole life that the CEO of that same company is going to be of a bigger interest to me.
Wow.
You can't tell.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm a straightforward lady. I'm going to swallow my pride and ask. What about lunch tomorrow?
Excuse me?
Come on, Amobi. I'm sure I've rendered an impression of giving you an appropriate service to your company. Oh yeah, fine, I've asked you out for lunch. Why don't you just keep aside our excuses and allow me to do the same to your heart? Please? Please?
Okay, alright, fine. Lunch it is, but I will choose the restaurant and I'll pick you up by 12 p.m.
Wow, deal. Good night, Hansel. Okay, send me what's family.
Good night.
A date is fixed. Whatever that means. We're heading somewhere.
Can you just leave me alone?
Wait, how?
What?
Out with it now.
You want detail?
I see the future.
Wow.
So slowly for sure.
This is what I call
No hope to be sure.
Wow.
It's never afraid of
What is he talking about?
Girlfriend, just take a look at this.
Oh, Prince of Ogidi Kingdom again.
My dear, I can't just help it. This guy is cute.
Then call him, talk to him.
No, I don't make myself look so cheap to him.
How?
Girlfriend, he said he is coming back. So I think it's gonna be easier and better to make the meeting look like what it's meant to be than calling or waiting to tell him that I love him.
If you say so. But girl, more beautiful girls have better plans than you do. 85% of girls in this country will do anything just to have that guy.
85%? Girl, trust me, I will get him before you do.
If you say so.
Yeah.
God,
Yes, sir.
tell the queen that I need her presence here now.
Okay, my king. The solemn day, Your Highness.
Yes, sit down. Have you heard from your son lately?
Yes, I have.
So you are aware that Amobi, your son, is about to flout my orders by returning to this land of Ogidi without my permission.
Honey, do you also realize that we're talking about a 29-year-old man that wants to come back to his fatherland, embrace his people's culture, get married, and give us the next heir to the throne? Do you also realize that?
Now listen. Your son Amobi's return to this Ogidi land is not the best of ideas, if you ask me. Agreed, he has to get married to Obi Ajolo. But my stand as far as this matter is concerned is that as soon as they are done with the traditional marriage rites, they should both travel out immediately.
Honestly, I don't understand how a father does not want his only child, his only son, the heir to the throne, close to him. Why don't you want him close to you?
Yes, because you don't understand.
Then make me understand.
I have said it and that is final. They don't need to be here for long. We should leave.
Don't go. No, come back to me. Don't go with them. Why can't you even hear me? You can't even see me. Don't go. They want to. No, don't come back.
Chideke. Urima.
Come back to me. Urima. What is wrong with this girl? She's crying blood again.
Yeah, who's that? It's me, Ma. Ma, it's me, Adjoa. Prince Am will be seated at the sitting room waiting for you, Ma.
The prince?
Yes,
Please let him to my bedroom. Thank you.
I hope you understand. I wish you realize. Look into your eyes, I see the passion.
Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But it's so good, like the fire.
Wow, you look more beautiful today.
Wow, I'm flattered. But I think when I'm done with my makeup, you're going to be lost in the admiration of my beauty.
Excuse me?
You heard me. Just sit by the bed. I've done in 20 minutes.
Oh, hold on. 20 whole minutes to...
Come on! Your woman has to look good. Just 20 minutes. Just 20 minutes.
I am so natural. Love is so natural. 'Cause I am so natural. Love is so natural. I hope you understand. I wish you realize.
Actually, I made a 12 p.m. reservation in a restaurant. Right now it's 12:30 p.m.
Come in. Okay, I'm done, handsome. How do I look?
So why don't you wear and face reality?
You look great.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can we go now?
Oh, just hold on. Let me get my bag. Let's get my powder, my wet lips, so my face doesn't get spoiled. Okay.
All right. After you.
After you, it's my room. Okay. I have been there for the past 20 years. Seriously, I've never been to this restaurant.
Okay. I thought as much.
Why?
Because it's a restaurant that's known to make only Nigerian meals. That is why it's called Nigerian Village Kitchen.
Oh, I get a picture. You actually want me to get a treat of your motherland delicacy?
Uh-huh.
Wow, that's romantic.
Trust me, you will love it. Yes.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Alright, for me, get me Gary with bitter leaf soup. Right?
Yeah, this sounds delicious.
Yes, it is.
Oh, I think I'll do the same.
Okay. Before that, get us a bottle of red wine.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Yes, I said I was going to tell you. You are so good with colors.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, you did a wonderful job. Then I noticed in my office, just behind the chair, that the colors on the wall, they're just the same colors I see on your face.
You're kidding me. You don't have purple there.
No, let me look for purple.
You don't have purple.
'Cause I am so natural.
Come on, I'm just kidding. Well, you're great. Good work.
Love is so natural. Said I am so natural. So natural. Love is so natural. I hope you understand. I wish you realize. Look into your eyes, I see the passion burning so hard like the fire. Na, 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 na. If I don't love you, that don't mean I never liked you. I just want you to realize how beautiful you are. Be natural, yeah. I hope you understand.
Delicious.
You can say that again. Waiter! Yes? Can I get a set of cutlery? Okay, ma'am.
Why don't you wash your hands and enjoy the meal? You love it.
Are you kidding me? Seriously, my nails are so important. I don't want to ruin them.
I hope you understand.
Waiter!
I wish you realize.
Waiter! I'm coming, ma'am.
Tell me what I need to fix make your identity.
Thank you very much.
This is who I am, you can change my humanity.
Oh, forgive my manners. I want to use the ladies. Just want to powder my nose and reapply my gloss.
Oh, come on, you look okay. It's not like you did any big job, you just ate.
Come on, Amobi. Didn't you see how people stared at me when we were coming into this place? I still want them to stare at my beauty when I'm leaving.
Can you sit down? We need to talk. Please.
I am so natural. So natural.
I'm listening.
Abina, when I walked into your room this afternoon, I saw that undiluted beauty. That natural look you were born with, and you just blew me away. I said to myself, if this lady can look this good every day, then she will just get me glued to her every single minute of the day. And then we walked in here. People just looked at you and they were like, trust me, I'm sure they're like one of those beautiful ladies in town. Do you know how unique you would have looked walking in here with that undiluted beauty, that natural beauty I saw this afternoon? And of course, saving us the whole 30 minutes you wasted concealing it. And then your nails. Believe me, if you had your natural nails on, you would have enjoyed the meal thoroughly rather than fixing those talons you have on.
I enjoyed the food.
My point is this. Can you just look natural for once?
Because that's me. That's what I love. For crying out loud, I'll go through a lot of stress every day and I have to conceal without makeup. But seriously, if you don't like it, that's your problem.
Hold on. Come on, it hasn't gotten to that. Oh, okay. Can I at least drop you off?
Said I am so natural. So natural. Love is so natural. I hope you understand. I wish you realize. Look into your eyes, I see the passion burning so hard like the fire. if I don't love you, that ain't mean I never liked you. I just want you to realize how beautiful you are. Be natural, yeah. I hope you understand. I hope you realize, 'cause I am so natural, so natural. Love is so natural, 'cause I am so natural, so natural. Love is so natural. I hope you understand. I wish you realize. Tell me what I need, faking up your identity. This is who I am, you can change my humanity. The eyes of passion sees beyond the skin. So why don't you wake up and face reality? I hope you understand. Hope you
Madam. Madam, food is ready. Madam.
Am I deaf? Come on, get out of my room! Get out! Out! Oh God!
I hope you understand. I wish you realize.
Orima, I know why I asked your sister Ego to move inside the house. For good 7 years now, you have not had this dream. Only yesterday night it occurred again. You can confide in me as your father. Now tell me, what or who do you see in this dream?
Papa.
Yes.
I've told you before. As soon as I open my eyes, I forget everything that happened in that dream. And most of the things I say, I don't even know when I say them. I can't remember any of them. I can't even place it.
I think it is time we go and meet a native doctor.
Native doctor?
Yes!
No, Papa, I'm not going to see any native doctor.
Orima.
Papa, I'm not going.
Let me ask you. And tell me the truth. Are you an Obanje?
Papa, how can you ask me such a question?
Yes, I have to. Since you were born, you have not cried. Never cried. And when you cry, it must be in the dream, in the night. Instead of shedding tears, you shed blood. Huh? And I told you, let's go and see a native doctor. You said no. Why would I ask you?
Papa.
Yes.
I can see you are bent on spoiling my mood today. I'll just pretend like I didn't hear you say what you just told me. I'll pretend like I didn't hear you.
Urima, you can't kill me in this house. You can never, you can't kill me in this house. Huh?
Cause I am so natural, so natural, love is so natural. Said
Abina wrapped up the job today.
Yeah, she called to tell me. What actually went wrong between both of you?
Femi, Abina is not the kind of woman I want to marry.
Always talking about marriage. Couldn't you at least date her?
Come on, Femi. I am 29. The only woman I should be with right now should be my future wife. And in case you've forgotten, I'm the prince of my land. Not like I have all the time in the world to flirt.
You know, sometimes you surprise me because I don't even know the kind of woman you want to settle down with.
Fine, Femi. I'll tell you the kind of woman I want to settle down with. I want a real woman. I want a woman that when I wake up every morning, I look at her face and I'll be reminded of how beautiful my roots are. You know, that a woman who has that natural resemblance to the motherland that produced me. Yes. I want to look into her eyes and feel that elegance that not even pain or any kind of stress can conceal. A woman who stands out. A woman who speaks less with her mouth or her actions speak volume. I want a real woman. Someone that even at my old age, when all my achievements would have become a thing of past glory, I would sit back, look at her, smile, and tell myself, this is your greatest achievement.
You know what, Amobi? I think you should send message across to the village. Tell them to inform all the maidens that the Prince of Ogidi, the heir to the throne, will be coming home to pick it right.
I hope you understand. Hope you understand. That I am so natural, so natural. That is so natural. That I am so natural.
What is wrong with this girl? It's either she's sleeping and smiling, or she's smiling and shedding blood. I need to ask her. Rima. Hi! Rima, why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
What? Smiling?
Yes.
How can I be smiling and sleeping?
Aha! That's exactly the question I asked myself. How can someone be either sleeping or smiling, or smiling and shedding blood?
Ego, please, go to sleep. It's late now, eh? It's late.
I beg, shit. It's lovely. What is it? Why are you screaming?
Guess what? Oh my God. Prince Amobi, Prince to the throne of Ogidi Kingdom, is back! It's a lie. I won't lie to you. Girl? Ozoro works at the airport and he saw him arriving. You mean to tell me that the prince of this kingdom is back? Oh my God. Will I lie to you? I'm not gonna lie to you. I will never lie to you. Oh my God. In that case, I think I have to go change my looks, get new cosmetics so that I will look nice. Oh yeah, you can say that again. On fire, baby! Exactly. I think I have to call my spy crew. Serena! Oh yeah! Please give her a call. Give her a call, please. Serena, pick up your call. You like this one? Oh, let me see. I think this is too small for me. Check it out. Don't you have something that is bigger than this? Like the one that will increase my buttocks very well, and another one to increase my cleavage. That's what I want, okay? Just get it for me.
We do. Well, let me check on the side.
Fast about it.
This. Must you do all this?
Of course.
I mean, can't you be natural for once?
Who said I am not being natural? Listen, once the prince sees me, he will not be able to resist me. I want him.
And what if the prince doesn't have an eye for flashy girls?
Look at you. That guy is classy.
Okay, he's exposed. He must like me, okay?
Love bego leo, love bego leo. Abra banane kota love na meo. Imano mama ba kapone kasi love.
Okay, baby up. Tell me how the prince see me fine girl like this and not trouble.
Love be my power. Love no be my force.
Love wanting to DJ Mona love enough for the wanting to you. DJ Mona love enough for the wanting to you. Hey, baby, Uncle. Hey, my planes is alive in the soul. Hey! Oh, there, Jolo. You are a hot chico. You are hot. Hot, baby. Baby, Uncle. The planes cannot see this and not want you. You know? Full option. I let it now. So check out. I ready to check out. Wow. Oh man. Wow. Okay. Happy to miss you, my house.
The lion that steps out of the forest and the elephants bow and tremble to his royalty. The only warrior that went to the land of Ugundida and conquered the Titans with only a sword and a pang of range. Igwe Ogidi. Oh, my heart leaps with joy and pride when I remember that I am privileged to mention that name. The only king that has gained the respect of the sun and the rain. The only warrior that went into the forest and conquered Ajoko came back with the head of Ajoko, the never defeated warrior. Oh, my king, even at old age, the earth still trembles at the command of your voice.
My son is back. My son is back. My son is back.
Mother.
I missed you.
Mother, I missed you. Good to see you. Wow, good to see you, Father. I missed you, Mother. You're good. Okay, now I have not forgotten, Mother. Let me tell you, Mother. I can't go on for. Let me greet you properly. Greetings to you, Mother, Queen of Okeleland, the womb that conceived the heir to the throne.
How did you never be like this?
Don't mind me, Mother.
I miss you too. Let's go inside. Come on.
Who is she?
The girl that sings praises to your father.
My father.
Yes,
that's Joyce.
Hey. surprised, like this is the 5th time you're showing me so much love today. You seem to be so happy and vibrant. Just me. What's going on? Well, my sister, there's nothing going on. I'm just happy. This afternoon, it's been really good. Because I didn't even go out. I don't know. Maybe it's a good day for me. Oh my God. I wish every day would be just like this. Why did you say that? You don't know. Let me tell you. So I can eat more lumps of your meat and get more of your clothing. It's your poo-poo. See your head. You will wait and wait and wait for days like this until you grow beards. I know you now. Is it not you again? Aguwine. The only lady in this town that men do not cross her path. What a sister. I'm proud of you. I'm glad you know that. Please, go and get my gun. I'm in the mood to show those rats that since the lion has taken flea, they now have a new king in the body of a damsel. Yes, ma'am. One more thing. One more thing. Hurry, please. Let me go with you now, at least for today. No. Stick with farm work. You hear? Stick with farm work. Because the village is already facing so many challenges because of the one female hunter. So stay at home and do the homework while I go to the farm. Hurry up. I'm putting more food for you so that you eat and get fat.
Good evening. How do you do? Good. I'm hungry, but I don't know. I'm thinking of what to eat. What do you suggest?
Yes, now I said I saw how walk towards you. Everything from you. Yeah, but my father is looking for her.
Ego. Hi. Okay. What happened?
Rima, where have you been? I've been looking for you all over Isihi Forest.
Is that the only place I hunt?
See, some men are at home. They say they want to see you. And Papa said I should come get you at once.
Men? What men?
See, you're here asking.
It's as if they came with their son sick for your hand in marriage.
Why? Wait, did they say I invited them?
No. Hey, Rima, Chineke, you're here asking this question. You see this thing I'm telling you, Papa is very, very happy with this particular set of people. Hi. He has started referring to them as his in-laws.
Child. Oh, Papa does not know the kind of child he produced with his man. Papa is pushing me. I have warned him not to be looking for suitors for me. Papa is pushing me, oh.
Rima, see, as I'm here, I don't have strength to look after a sick old man, oh. Hey, so anything you're doing, Biko, Jidewayo.
Well, that's his own cup of sour wine. I will go there and make my points clear.
Rima,
Papa is pushing me.
Rima,
Papa is pushing me.
Rima, take it easy.
It's even because of my running and acting like somebody died.
Oh yeah.
And all those men, like they don't have work to do in their farmland. They'll come and
me after the bro.
I don't think there's a mechanic around here.
One more knows for London. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, I came to Nigeria to do a few things. I don't really know when I'll be back, but so far I'm loving it. You know, it's been a while since I came back. Madam, when down like I've gone to London again. What am I there? Yeah, of course. Okay, no stress. Dikeh, stop the car. I think these girls might be having a problem.
Yes, my prince.
Let's see if we can help them out. Please.
To help us and we're so scared.
It's not a problem. Dude, go check what's wrong with their car.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. In Giddy land we accommodate strangers like our neighbors, huh?
Oh, really? Thank you very much.
Can I have the car, please?
Oh yeah.
No, we really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's alright, they'll take care of it. So, are you Igbo?
Sorry, forgive our manners. I am Mercedes.
I'm Susie.
Mercedes and Susie. What about your native name?
Come on, we just told you our names. Please don't stress it, okay?
Alright, forgive me. Nice meeting you, girl.
Nice meeting you too, sir.
Don't worry, they'll take care of it.
Why are your friends dressed like that?
My friends, don't mind them. They just like being like that. They're very close friends.
You don't mean it.
Sir, I just want to say thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
It's okay.
God bless you.
It's okay. It's nothing. It's nothing. I understand you're standing under the hot sun.
So far though. Thank you.
Thank you.
Aya, start.
They'll take care of it.
Can I start?
Yeah, start.
Look into your eyes, I see the passion.
cannot start. No, it cannot be from here. Let me check.
This is supplying cable. It might be the fault from there.
Okay.
If I don't love you, that ain't mean I never liked you. I just want you to realize.
Check.
Be natural.
You're done with it? Wow! Thank you! Oh my God, so much! Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you, eh? Thank you so much. Good. So, thank you so much.
Done with the car, right?
Yes. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye. God bless you. God bless you for me. Bye.
We're done with the car.
Sir, please, are you just gonna go like that? No complimentary card, no nothing?
I don't have my card here. I can give you my number.
Hold on, let me get you mine. Here. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Here.
Babe, this guy is such a nice person. Of course. Oh my God, what a good Samaritan. I told you. Let's go, babe.
Aha! The future draws close.
Sorry, I didn't get what you said.
A heart void of deceits. A heart that seeks true nature. You'll meet with a heart vulnerable. So vulnerable that she knows nothing of the artificial world. This heart comes with a well-crafted body. And when these two hearts bond together, there will be...
Slow down. What are you talking about?
Wait.
You have tears in your eyes again.
Why? Of all these good things, why evil?
What evil?
I see evil. Oh, why evil?
You're actually starting to get me scared.
Don't worry, my prince. All will be fine.
Such beauty.
Son, I think it's time you find a bride and get married.
You just read my mind. That is part of why I came.
You see? I always knew that you were the best. This is lovely.
But mother, there's a problem.
What kind of problem?
The kind of lady I want.
What kind of lady do you want?
Let me tell you.
But that's no problem. Like, we have them plenty in this community.
Okay, I'll wait.
Oh, Amobi Derek Ezemugu. You are exactly like your father. This boy.
You have to stop that boy. I don't see what is in a woman that is not in Oge Okoye. Moreover, what's the difference between a fair lady and that lady?
Honey, honestly, in as much as we want our son to get married, let us not make it look as if we're imposing a bride on him. He said he needs a black girl. So let's do something about it and give him one.
I agree that Oge Okoye is not dark. But having lived all his life foremost in the United States of America, one would have expected Amobi to have gotten used to ladies in white skin. So I'm surprised that he's still asking for black natural beauty or whatever he's obsessed about.
Maybe that is the problem. You pushed him so far away, and now he needs something from his roots. He has spent 22 years of his life with whites. He needs something different, maybe something new.
Enough, woman. I said enough. Listen to me. Be her dark lady, yellow lady, I mean light-skinned, dark-skinned, tall, short, crippled, or what have you. Amobi is getting married to no other person than Oge Okoye.
It's not time for you to get angry. We just have to do something about it. We have to do something about Oge Okoye's color.
Maybe you're suggesting that we plant Oge Okoye under the intense of the heat of the sun for 1 year so that her skin will get darkened for your Amobi.
Honey, don't be ridiculous.
What is it?
I mean, you're embarrassing Urima. How would they never feel when they see you flogging your 22-year-old daughter?
Oh. Now you know she is 22. Eh? When she was driving those men, you never bothered to tell her that she is 22. Eh? Now, because she doesn't know that she is old, I will treat her like a kid. I will treat her like a kid. I will treat her like a kid.
Let me ask you something. Would you be happy if I get married to a man I cannot stay with?
Rima, it is now by force. By force, whether you like it or not, you must marry. Eh? Now, kneel down there.
Papa,
kneel down there.
Papa, I cannot do this.
Kneel down there.
I cannot do this. You want to go inside and lie down. Papa,
you stop talking and go inside. Papa wants to go because he knows you are
Urima, I must continue finding suitors for you until we get married to one. It's a must in this house.
Me, I'll get married when my time comes. You won't force me to. How can I be choosing suitors?
Just imagine.
For a grown-up girl like me.
Just imagine. Just imagine how your sister is speaking to me. Her father.
You shut up and go inside now. Nonsense, then they'll come and be looking for wife.
Urima, now kneel down there.
Papa, I'm not doing that. Mama, you don't have time to do this thing. Don't do this thing I'm doing.
Urima, you keep quiet now. Just go inside now.
You cannot kill me.
God forbid, I won't kill my father. I don't know why you're dodging yourself because of all this. Urima, get married. This is my first week, get married. I'm not even getting married. You'll be working. All the men will come. They want to marry you. This time they want to marry you. You accept them in your house. Come and sit down. Come and marry. I'm not even married.
My Highness, are you okay, My Highness?
What happened? What did I hear?
It was the king, my queen.
Udemba.
Why are you shouting my name now?
Hey! Udemba. Your move in this palace is what I don't understand. The way you sneak in and sneak out. Eh? Every time I keep covering you. Did you know that the Igwe called you and I told him that you are in the toilet?
Where else am I coming from? Now what do you expect?
You know what you're telling me?
In a palace where the king has refused the service of the maidens, what do you expect of the guards? To die of sexual urge? No now, it's not possible. Since the king of Ogidiland has refused the service of maidens in the palace, the guards have to look for something to eat. One day I'm trying gaily.
But that's only for Muife. Listen, you and I know that you're not telling me the truth. Yes. Guy, it is either you have a hidden agenda at hand or you have become a sex addict because you move in America.
What is your problem now? I am telling you the truth. So you okay? You want to force words out of my mouth, eh?
Okay, I'm only looking out for you. Seriously. Because when the king get to notice this your move, you might not like his actions.
So who will take it to the Igwe?
Is that a question? Okay. I have to tell you, see, I am your friend. If I don't tell you the truth, nobody will tell you the truth. Makanuku naga wara wara. Anya naga wara wara na elebwe udemba.
Let me tell you something. Nowadays, oku naga wara wara. Anya naga wara wara na nefelie.
Udemba. Udemba.
My elders, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Samuel. Oh, Jacob. You are the true son of your mother.
Thank you, Papa.
Hey, Zoko.
Jacob, my son, I have two daughters. I don't know the one you have come for. Is it this one or the other one?
But she's the one.
You might hear the man.
Thank you.
Ori hear the man, Amalacham. This handsome young man came with his people to ask for your hand in marriage. I don't know what to answer. What do I tell them?
Papa, it's a good thing that they came.
Oh. To God be the glory.
You're welcome.
And Divine, is there anything else for us to say here? No. Congratulations, my son. Yes.
Once again, my husband, you're welcome. But there is only one thing.
What could that be, my daughter? Tell us, and it's taken care of.
I beg to spend a few minutes alone with my husband-to-be so I can get to know him better.
Oh, Jacob. What are you waiting for? Go and discuss with the lady. Go and speak with the lady.
Please, you can go with the drinks.
Remember, don't keep us waiting for too long.
I told you they will make it very Look at them. Very compatible.
You know why I asked you to come?
Not really. Unless there are other things you would want to know more about me.
Well, the question is the things you need to know about me. Since I'm going to be your wife, there are certain things you should get to know about me first.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
You know, since the need has arisen for me to get married, I think it's right
for you to know what I am. So, but first of all, I'll need you to go with me somewhere first.
Today is one of the happiest days. This guy made a nice selection.
The most beautiful girl.
You don't know the lady you came from. Fine girl. I'm
sorry. My love, just tell me where you want us to go, and off we are there. Remember, the others are waiting for us.
Okay, my grave.
Wait, did you say your brave or your grave?
No, my grave. I need you to come with me to my grave where I was buried before I reincarnated. I want my ghost to bond us together before the wine carrying.
Wait, did you say your brave or your grave?
My grave, go with me.
Don't touch me, don't touch me.
You don't, I want to be your wife, you just want to be my husband.
No. No.
Let's go and see my... Come now.
Ojako, what is it? Hey!
What is that?
Ojako,
what is it?
Come on, Mary, come!
Isn't that? You got him and nothing for one.
What?
You don't mean it!
Are you serious?
What do you mean by saying that my daughter is on a Hey! What do you mean? By saying that my daughter is on a banja? Come back!
Papa, I was joking. I will marry you. Come on, marry you. Papa, I was joking. Papa,
Obiachilo.
Hi. My queen, Hey. My queen, today is a breast day.
What did you leave your door open, Obiachilo?
Hey, ha. Obiachilo, my queen, I forget to rock it. Hi.
Next time, don't forget. You know, as my son-to-be wife, people can come in here and hurt you. So you should always close that door when you are inside here alone. Oh?
It's slow. Okay, no problem. From today, every day, I'll be rocking it. I'll be rocking the door. My queen, Chai!
And I'm sure you must have heard that my son, your husband, is back.
My queen, Is it right? You're joking, eh?
No, I'm not lying. He's back. My son is back.
My queen, my husband, the place is back. Chai! I talk it today is a breast day. I talk it. Hey! No wonder I'm waking up today, this morning, happy, all over my body. Hey! Let me do quick. Oh, my planes. How better?
No. Don't pack your things yet. We have a minor problem at hand.
Problem?
Very minor one. Obiachilo, based on the last discussion we had, my son came back and said what he wants is a black girl. He wants to marry a black girl. Complete black.
Here. My queen, my place, Abiaka. Which one is black girl again? My queen, I'm not black. What are we doing? I'm not black now.
I know. We'll do something about it.
Here. My place, Abiaka.
Top of the morning to you, friend of the biggest massive gold digger.
And what is the meaning of that?
Serena, or whatever your name is, could you please help me pass this message to your partner, Mercedes or Vivo or whatever she chooses to answer next. Tell her that Melanie Green wants her out of the way. Because that hill she's about to step on is not that of a tiger, but that of a hungry lion looking for whom to devour.
Oh, I see. You actually walked up to me with your miserable self just to tell me the difference between the tail of a lion and that of a tiger.
Impressive. This is the point you don't call. Tell your friend to leave Prince Amobi alone because he is my man.
Melanie Green or Cashew Pink or whatsoever your stupid school tells you to answer next time. I have a news flash for you. The last time my friend screwed his man, the prince, she couldn't find your name crested, or will I say inscribed on his manhood. So stop deceiving yourself. Hey! Listen.
What is going on?
That I'm a beauty queen does not stop me from beating your ugly ass. Next time you try this.
Why do you like embarrass me? Let's go!
She returned almost immediately, boiling with anger.
Why? What happened?
You can't believe what she told me.
What did she tell you?
That stupid, pathetic Melanie walked up to her at the salon, and all she could open her silly mouth to say is to tell her to warn you to stay away from the prince.
Girl, you're not serious. To warn me?
And she said she almost fought her.
Looking for my trouble. And I will sure give it to her. What is even her problem?
Forget her. She's only trying to look for an attention.
That's by the way. Guess who I went out with today?
There is no need to guess. I know it must be the prince. In 5 days he visited. He visited twice. And now he's taking you out.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. I guess he likes me because he doesn't know I'm aware he's the prince of this land.
Go, girl. But don't forget, you still have a problem.
Problem? What kind of problem?
Obiajulu, the girl the king wants for him.
That's not a problem, girlfriend.
Dear girl, don't underestimate anyone. The fact the king chose her gives her more chances than you.
Okay, you just watch and see. Let me go in and freshen up, okay? I'm kind of hot.
You better do.
Yeah.
Oh, you are looking good today.
Thank you.
Obiajulu, I brought the best makeup artist in town so that he can paint your body black for my son to marry you. You rub something on your body and you will turn black. You paint your face, your hand, everywhere to be black. You know I like you very much. I would like my son to marry you. I hope you can do it.
Very well, my queen. I can.
Why, you're my queen? Let me add to the talk you are stuck now. Praise. Praise, oh praise. When you are lobbing the potty, you want to lob on my body. Praise again. Don't spoil my flesh skin, oh.
Okay, ma.
Praise, I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Because when you be loving this rubbish on my flesh skin, you will come and start telling me, sorry. I will not take sorry.
No problem. I'll take care of it.
It's okay.
Why, you're my queen, you are here.
One more thing. This is going to remain our secret, our little secret. If anyone hear about this outside this room, you will not like what I will do to you. Do you understand?
Okay, my queen.
What do you need to achieve this?
My queen, I have everything here with me.
Flex skin,
At times you need to sacrifice to achieve what you want in life. When you love someone, you make some sacrifices at times. Huh? Take this to be one of the sacrifices you want to make for me and my son. Huh? For my son to marry you. You know I like you very much. Huh?
Okay. Ask one and answer. Okay.
Ego, how is Papa feeling? I'm so worried. He got better after Okache, the native doctor, attended to him. But he still insists on not setting his eyes away. This matter is even worse than I thought.
Urima, you think so? Let alone doing it. I was just trying to scare them away now. By saying you are Nobanje was the only way you could do it.
Look, I didn't know it was going to get to Papa this much. I don't like the fact that these men keep trooping into the house for me. I don't like it. Urima, you have to start liking it. In as much as I'll miss you when it happens, you still will have to get married. Please. I know, but not that way. Look, I don't want to feel like I'm ending up with the highest bidder. It doesn't feel really good.
You just have to. Anyways, I'm going inside to look after her. Alright, please. Can you just help me take a pan? I'm very
I don't travel all over the world trying to find the one. If an no gelu, this is no gala.
I knew it. That something is wrong with that.
Exactly. But I didn't know that that girl is an Obanje.
No wonder she behaves like a man.
Hunting, farming, and all sorts of masculine jobs. The father had better do something now before it becomes late, though. But wait, are you sure her sister Ego is not the same thing?
Bamba, no, don't say that. Her sister's behavior is different from hers.
I pity the father. You should better do something fast, though. Or else what?
Asiribakute.
So this is your gathering point, eh? This is where you stay and gossip. Saying what you don't know. Yeah, better decide to pass. What is your business? Asiribakute, are you?
Please, I beg you. Learn how to mind your own business. Drink Panadol for your own headache, not for another person's headache. Or shash, look at them.
No, Banje.
You will die young.
Look at this thing.
Anoma.
Hi. 3/4.
Who is that?
Don't get scared.
My prince, greetings to you, the son of the tiger.
You know, with just very few words, you bring warmth to the hearts of many. How do you do that?
Gifts and talents come from God.
Exactly. And yours is a very rare one. You know, I believe God replaced your sight with very natural talents. Beauty, a golden voice, a good heart, and of course, so many others I'm yet to discover.
My prince, it's very unheard of in this land that royalty will stoop to sit by the side of a maid.
And what makes you think you're not royalty yourself? Tell me, you are very beautiful, and your voice puts every bitter heart to a stop and bring smiles. Oh.
Thanks for the compliments.
So tell me, who named you Anyachi?
Oh, the dead chief priest, and it means the eye of the gods.
An irony I am yet to understand.
Oh, not too long. Believe me, one day all this will be clear to you.
Or what?
My prince, your future is not here. Your future is far away in a land where dreams come to reality.
But
my prince, the king wants to see you. The queen and your bride will be here soon.
Alright. Excuse me.
You can go. But it's all in vain.
Papa, I'm ready to marry any that comes now. I promise. I'll marry any man that comes now. I'm sorry.
But why must you be so stupid to play with a thing like that? Eh? Don't you know that they could be carrying about this rumor in the village, and if the king gets to hear about it, we are gone?
Papa, don't mind me. I promise it will never happen again. Any sister that comes now, I must marry. I'm ready. I made up my mind.
You're going to marry the next person that will come to you?
Yeah.
Get up, my daughter. Get up.
I'm happy you forgive her. But she promised me she was going to get married to the next. Yeah, I told her.
Are you sure?
Yes.
See, you must get married to the next man that comes into this place to seek your hand in marriage. Eh? Or?
Papa, I promise. See, I say I promise, but it's not any man. If one man now comes, one man will not marry.
Any man that comes. Man is man. Man is man.
Man. Any fine man.
Mobi, my son, or rather our son, history says replete with events. And women have also been noted to have been behind the success and failure of kingdoms. I have gotten you somebody that will be a life partner. That's all you need. And she's right here in this palace. And I just want you to hold on to her tenaciously when you see her.
Come on, son. You asked us to get you a black girl. So I went out of my way to get you a black, beautiful dancer. Let me officially introduce your beautiful bride to you. Her name is Obiajulu. Trust me, you like her. Just watch.
Okay.
Obiajulu! Obiajulu!
Yes, my queen. Yes, my
Here she comes, top of the devil.
Here comes your bride.
Beautiful. Black skin.
My queens, I greet you.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I understand your pain and disappointment. Come to think of it, of all the ladies around, of all the girls they've come across, why would your parents choose an illiterate for you?
Search me, bro. Search me. Up till this minute, I still can't comprehend. Well, truth be told, she still has her good sides. Yeah, she's nice, she's caring, she's plain, down to earth. And you can call her beautiful. She's natural, she's dark, and she's also a good cook, so I heard.
But she can't speak. How can such a person represent you outside?